Step into a modern one-bedroom condo that masterfully blends simplicity, sophistication, and functionality, creating a stylish yet practical haven. Design a serene living area featuring a plush, low-profile sofa, a sleek sea table, and a striking chandelier. Add textured throw pillows to boost comfort and style, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Elevate your interiors with fluted walls, rich wood, elegant stone, and accent wallpaper, infusing your space with timeless luxury. Start with a neutral base. Lay the foundation with serene whites and beiges for a tranquil and clean backdrop. Transform your bedroom into a cozy retreat with a luxurious bed, a sophisticated headboard, a chic bedside table with modern lamps and layers of soft linens and textured blankets. This space isn't just a home. It's a captivating haven designed to enchant anyone who steps inside. At CMV, we're passionate about crafting the best solutions for our clients. We make sure every inch of your space is used to its fullest potential. Harmonizing functionality with stunning designs. Our mission is to bring your home or dream home to life, blending style and practicality in perfect harmony. So what are you waiting for? Contact us now.